Crash Course on Literature, Drama and Theatre. Explore the world of drama and theatre and learn about the elements of playwriting and performance. Certainly. Let's delve into the world of drama and theatre, exploring the fascinating elements of playwriting and performance. Drama and theatre have been a fundamental part of human culture for thousands of years. From ancient Greek tragedies to modern-day Broadway productions, theatre has always been a medium for storytelling, allowing us to explore the depths of human emotions, relationships, and societal issues. Elements of playwriting. At the heart of every great play is a well-crafted script. The art of playwriting involves crafting a story, developing complex characters, and exploring universal themes that resonate with audiences. Here are some of the key elements of playwriting. Dialogue. The conversations between characters in a play are what drive the story forward. Dialogue must be realistic and reflect the personalities of the characters. Plot. A strong plot is essential for any play. It should have a clear beginning, middle, and end, with rising tension and a satisfying resolution. Characters. The characters in a play must be complex and well-developed, with clear motivations and desires. They should be relatable and engaging for the audience. Theme. The theme of a play is its underlying message or moral. It should be universal and thought-provoking, leaving the audience with something to reflect on after the performance. Setting. The setting of a play is the time and place in which the story takes place. It should be carefully crafted to reflect the themes and mood of the play. Elements of performance. The other crucial aspect of theatre is the performance itself. Actors, directors, and designers all work together to bring the script to life on stage. Here are some key elements of performance. Acting. The actors are the heart of any play. They must bring their characters to life, creating nuanced performances that reflect the emotions and motivations of their characters. Direction. The director is responsible for bringing the script to life on stage. They must work with the actors to create a cohesive performance that reflects the vision of the play. Design. The design elements of a play include the costumes, set design, lighting, and sound. These elements must work together to create a cohesive and immersive world for the audience. Blocking. The movements of the actors on stage are known as blocking. It must be carefully choreographed to ensure that the audience can see and hear everything clearly. Timing. The timing of a performance is crucial, from the pacing of the dialogue to the lighting cues. Everything must work together seamlessly to create a memorable performance. Interesting examples and stories. To truly understand the power of theatre, let's explore some of the most iconic plays in history. 1. Oedipus Rex by Sophocles. This ancient Greek tragedy tells the story of Oedipus, who unknowingly kills his father and marries his mother. It explores themes of fate and free will, and the consequences of our actions. 2. Hamlet by William Shakespeare. One of Shakespeare's most famous plays, Hamlet follows the young prince as he seeks revenge for his father's murder. It explores themes of madness, morality, and the human condition. 3. Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller. This American classic tells the story of Willy Loman, a salesman struggling to make ends meet. It explores themes of the American dream and the disillusionment that can come with it. 4. A Streetcar Named Desire by Tennessee Williams. Set in New Orleans, this play follows the troubled relationship between Blanche Dubois and her brother-in-law Stanley Kowalski. It explores themes of sexuality, class, and mental illness. 5. Angels in America by Tony Kushner. This two-part play explores the AIDS epidemic in the 1980s, as well as themes of politics, religion, and the meaning of life. It follows a diverse cast of characters as they navigate the challenges of the era, and is often regarded as one of the most important plays of the 20th century. 6. The Crucible by Arthur Miller. Based on the real-life Salem witch trials, this play explores themes of fear, hysteria, and the dangers of groupthink. It remains a timeless warning against the dangers of mob mentality. 7. The Glass Menagerie by Tennessee Williams. This semi-autobiographical play follows the Wingfield family as they navigate their relationships and dreams. It explores themes of memory, abandonment, and the illusions we create for ourselves. The 8th of August, Osage County by Tracy Letts. This modern American classic tells the story of the dysfunctional Western family, who come together after the patriarch's disappearance. It explores themes of family dynamics, addiction, and the scars of the past. 9. A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen. This groundbreaking play follows Nora Helmer, a woman trapped in a loveless marriage. It explores themes of gender roles, societal expectations, and the need for personal autonomy. 10 Fences by August Wilson. Set in 1950s Pittsburgh, this play follows former Negro League baseball player Troy Maxson as he struggles to provide for his family. It explores themes of race, family, and the American dream. 11. The Importance of Being Earnest by Oscar Wilde. This comedic masterpiece follows the misadventures of two young bachelors, Jack Worthing and Algernon Moncrief. It is a satire of Victorian society and the hypocrisy that often goes with it. 12. The Lion King by Roger Allers and Irene Mecchi. This Broadway musical is an adaptation of the Disney animated film. It follows the story of Simba, a young lion who must come to terms with his destiny as the king of the Pride Lands. It is a celebration of African culture, family, and the circle of life. Summarizing drama and theater. Drama and theater are an art form that has been part of human culture for centuries. The art of playwriting involves crafting a story with a strong plot, complex characters, and universal themes. Performance involves bringing the script to life through acting, direction, design, blocking, and timing. Theater has the power to explore deep emotions, societal issues, and the human condition. From ancient Greek tragedies to modern-day Broadway productions, theater continues to captivate audiences and inspire new generations of artists. Poem about drama and theater. The stage is set, the curtain rises. A world of wonder, before our eyes is. A story unfolds, with words and song. An emotional journey, we'll travel along. Characters come to life, with each actor's breath. Their movements and voices, leading us to death. Themes and messages, woven in the lines. A mirror to life, reflecting on our minds. The stage is alive, with each design detail. The costumes, the set, the lighting, all hail. Blocking and timing, a symphony in motion. Creating an atmosphere that stirs the emotions. From Oedipus to Simba, and everything in between. Theater has the power to make us feel and glean. A lesson to learn, a tear to shed. A moment of laughter, before we head to bed. Drama and theater, an art form divine. A journey of the heart, a passage of time. We'll keep coming back, to see what's in store. For the magic of theater, we cannot ignore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $AID=7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.